This video is on Standard A REI B3, solve linear equations and inequalities in one variable, including equations with coefficients represented by letters. This video will go over how to solve two-step equations. How to solve two-step equations. When solving two-step equations, you're going to want to follow the 3 steps listed. Step 1, identify the variable and notice which side of the equal sign it is on. Step 2, undo the number further from the x, but on the same side of the equal sign first, using inverse operations. Step 3, undo the remaining number using inverse operations. Going to go through those steps one more time while showing you on the example. 2x minus 4 equals 8. I like to draw a line through the equal sign so that I can keep track of the two sides of the equation. Step 1, identify the variable and notice which side of the equal sign it is on. In this problem, the variable is x. Remember, a variable is a letter, and it is on the left side of the equal sign. Step 2, undo the number further from the x, but on the same side of the equal sign. So we're only looking at this left side. I need to undo the number that is further away from x. 2 and x are touching, so I am going to undo the minus 4 first. To undo subtracting 4, I'm going to add 4, and we have to do this to both sides. These cancel out, and we will be left with 2x equals 12. Now that we have done step 2, we can move on to step 3, undo the remaining number using inverse operations. The number remaining with the x is the 2. We have to undo this multiplication by 2 by dividing by 2, and we'll do that on both sides. The 2's cancel out, and we are left with x equals 6. Here's another example. Put that line through the equal sign. My variable is x. Our goal is to get x alone. X is on the left side. Undoing the number further from the x, but on the same side of the equal sign, so we're looking at this left side. The number further is the minus 7. To get rid of subtracting 7, we're going to add 7 to both sides. These cancel out. We're left with 5x equals 10. Last step is to undo the remaining number. The opposite of multiplication is division. We divide both sides by 5. These cancel out. X equals 2. One more example. In this example, x is on the right side of the equal sign. We're still going to undo the number further from the x, but on the same side. So now we're looking at the right side. For this one, figuring out the number further from x can be a little tricky, but you have x plus 2 over 5. Since the plus 2 and x are on the same level, they are close. So the first thing we're going to cancel out is the dividing by 5. To cancel out dividing by 5, we're going to multiply both sides by 5. These 5's cancel out, and we're left with 30 equals x plus 2. Now we cancel out the remaining number. To get rid of plus 2, we subtract 2 on both sides, and we get our final answer of 28 equals x. This is the end of the video. You may now move on and complete the practice.